With this image, what we're going to look at is how to use the blending mode overlay to do some real quick and easy edits. So first I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to change my blending mode to overlay. And what I want to show you is I first want to show you how it works very heavy-handed, and then we're going to tone it back. So the first thing to realize is if I'm in overlay and I use black, you see how much darker I can make this image. The same way if I use white, how much lighter I can use this image. Now that is too much. I'm going to bring my opacity down to roughly 20%. Now, if you don't want to play this game where you're constantly going back and forth and trying to get the right number, I could simply type in that number, boom, 20. Or I could simply hit 3, 2, 5 on the keyboard, and you can see the opacity changes. So I could do 45, which would be a quick 4, 5 together, or we're going to go 20%, I could just hit 2. So in this case, let's say I want to lighten some of this background here. Right, very quick and easy, I could bring in some of this background. And let's say at that same point, now I want to darken it. I'm going to say light. I'm going to create a new layer and call it dark. And I'm going to change that to overlay as well. We're going to switch to black, and we can just add in some textures here. Right, so really simple edits. But it can really change the way that your image is working. So let's add some more contrast here and in here. So you can see the difference that holds, right? So that's a very simple, easy trick to use, again, using overlay as your blending mode.